Hi there, LinkedIn family. Jonathan here from Some Talented People. Now, I'm going to have to refer to the book here because the studies that they talk about here, there's some very specific figures. I don't want to give you the wrong end of the stick. Essentially, poor sleep, amongst all the other horrors that we've talked about, leads to heart attacks, leads to cardiovascular disease. So, right, okay. A 2011 study that tracked 474,000 men and women of varying ages, races, and ethnicities across 8 different countries associated short sleep with more than a 45% greater risk of fatal rather than non-fatal heart attacks. Then a study of 282 Japanese male workers was associated with a 300% greater risk of suffering a cardiovascular or coronary event such as sudden cardiac death. Now, I'm middle-aged. I'm 48 now. I know I look younger, but essentially, as we approach middle age, our bodies start deteriorating, and things that you used to be able to just power through, you can't anymore. And it says here, right, okay, as we approach middle life, our body begins to deteriorate, and heavy health resilience even starts to decline. The impact of insufficient sleep on the cardiovascular system escalates. Adults aged 45 or older who sleep fewer than 6 hours a night are 200% more likely to have a heart attack or stroke during their lifetime as opposed to those who slept well. So, look, you don't have to listen to me. You can buy the book. But frankly, and I've had 6 strokes. Yeah, some of you know about that, but some of you don't. But I've had strokes. Now, my sleep has been compromised for the last 24 years because of the pain I suffer, and I take a sleeping medication to allow me to actually become unconscious. And in the book, it also talks about the very specific drug that I take and the effects it has. So I am the canary in the mine on this regard because I have had strokes, cardiovascular disease and injury and illness, and statistically I'm dead twice because I've had 6. So I can tell you for an absolute fact that what I read in the book has borne out to be true in my own life. So I urge you to buy the book, to absolutely make sleep make it a religious choice insofar as you practice it every day. You cannot catch up on sleep. Having a line at the weekend, yeah, it might feel good, but your brain and your systems require daily sleep. Even one day of missed sleep has dramatic effects, which I'll cover in later videos. So listen, I am going to do some more entertaining and amusing posts, but I genuinely feel very strongly that these risks can be avoided, and like the author, I mean, he's there's a section at the back of the book where he's got some ideas about what we could do moving forward, and I'll cover those as well. So listen, seriously, turn off your phone, turn off your TV, don't have them in the bedroom with you, go to sleep, allow yourself to just relax, because every single measurable parameter about your life and your success is extraordinarily correlated with the amount of sleep or not that you're getting. So once again, have a nice day, and I'll see you again another day. Cheers.